Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my studio.
Today we continue our 3-minute video series, but today we're going to talk about Gunpla. These brands are partners and sponsors of this channel. So what is Gunpla? Someone said on Twitter that Gunpla is like Lego for adults. Gunpla usually comes in colored runners, and then you cut those runners or the parts of the model and then you build them up. So Gunpla for me personally are highly engineered model kits that are great for kids and adults alike. These kits are articulated and you may simply build them or even paint and customize Gunpla or kit bash them with other Gunpla or other mecha kits. You could also put them in dioramas or bases, or create action-packed battle scenes between two Gunpla. I am currently helping my daughter Nico create this huge Wing Gundam diorama. It will be up at her channel soon. How to build Gunpla. Basically, Gunpla has the best, most instructive manual when it comes to building model kits. Usually, the parts are pre-colored already, pre-colored plastic, and then it's so easy to follow the manual, the step-by-step building of the kits. Gunpla come in like 1:1 for high-grade kits. They also have 1:100 scale master-grade kits and the huge 1:60 perfect grade kits. They even have a few very limited collection or selection of mega scale 1:48 kits. The model used here is the RX-78-2 Gundam entry grade. It's the best engineered Gunpla that I have ever built so far. So for people looking to build their first Gunpla, I highly recommend to get this kit. It's super cheap. I think it's $10 and it's very well engineered. So are Gunpla Lego for adults? I don't think so. To be honest, I think they are highly engineered model kits for kids and adults alike. That's it, Pansit. I hope you like this really quick video.
That's it. We're done. I hope you liked the video. Do like, comment, subscribe, and consider joining the channel so that you'll be part of our Discord community. Saludos!